People are scared. Australia hasn't had a recession in 30 years, is in recession. But Americans are fat, dumb, and happy, having a good time, which is good. But I'm concerned. First of all, everybody can do something, but they won't. And that's the problem. The reason, who stole my pension, there was plenty of money in it, but nobody did anything. They just stole it. And I think the problem with many Americans is they're complacent. They expect, well, it'll heal itself again. My first investment was a gold coin in Hong Kong. The date was 1972. The reason the date's important is because in 1972 it was illegal for Americans to own gold. So I had to smuggle that little puppy into America. I put it in my pocket, came off the ship, and nobody checked, But that gold coin today is worth almost $2,000. And I still have it. Because I understand money, that, quantitative counterfeiting and zero interest rates, I don't trust the dollar. So for most of my life, I've saved gold and silver. I have millions in gold coins and silver coins. I just kept saving it because I don't trust the dollar. So everybody can buy a silver coin today for $20. A silver eagle is $20. But how many people will go to a coin shop and buy it? Probably none. Less than 0.1% of Americans own precious metals. And silver today is 50% below its all-time high. So silver is the biggest bargain today. It's about $20. It should go to 50. So at $20, and I tell my friends, I go, yeah, think about it. And that's the problem. So everybody can afford $20. The thing is, people won't do it. The old guys like me are going to suck the system dry. So if anything's going to bring down the market, it's going to be pensions. Because I can't get, I wish I could get younger, but I can't. So these guys are getting older and older. Every day that goes by, we get closer to the edge. And they're like lemmings, Well, what a person does is what they can do. And since the average person has no financial education, they can't do much. So I can short the market. I'll make more money as it shorts coming down. So I'm looking forward to it. But the average pensioner, they're handcuffed. They can't get out. If they take the money out, they're penalized 30%. They screwed them. They screwed everybody. That's Wall Street, the government, and all these guys. You should have gold and you should have silver. You should have museum quality artwork and real estate. Income producing real estate. I have a friend in Panama. He has an avocado farm. He says, he's a Canadian. He says, I got out of Canada because Canada's in worse shape than America. And this guy's he's a bond trader. So he's sitting in Panama growing avocados. He says, because people have to eat. Another friend of mine is growing blueberries. But another friend of mine, he had a big house. His kids all moved out. So he converted the kids' bedrooms into one-bedroom apartments. So he put a kitchen and he put a toilet inside his little bedrooms. And so he now rents out 4 bedrooms. He's making more money today than ever before because a lot of workers commute to Seattle. So they come in, they come in on Sunday night, they check out Friday afternoon. It's at a little house. He's making more money. So the point is, everybody can do something, but you got to figure out what you can do. Anything that's been new in the last 20 years will be gone in 20 years. What's going to survive is old. So everybody thinks, well, technology is going to make it. What survives is old. So the reason gold and silver will survive is because it's old. Bitcoin may not survive because it's new. So I'm not telling you what to buy, I'm just telling you how to think. Whatever doesn't kill you will make you stronger. When you go to the gym and you pump weights, you push 100 pounds, that means the next time you push, you might go 105. So bad times will make the strong stronger. You want to get smaller right now. You don't want to get bigger. It's almost like being a Navy SEAL. You want to get into a small team. Like at Richard, we have a small team. We trust everybody. We know everybody. Been working together, most of us, 25 years. And we don't let anybody else in. It's a little tight little group. Don't change the world, change yourself. That's why I say to every person out there, now if you don't know anybody, let's say you're an employee of Google, you're screwed. Because you don't know anything. Who's your accountant? Who's your attorney? Can you read a financial? Do you know how to trade a stock? Do you know how to short a stock? No, but my team can. So smaller is better at this point in time. If you're small and listening to this program tonight, I would say you just pull your horns in, wait for the crash, but have your team together. I trained as a Marine sniper. Even we had designated snipers. We fought as teams. We never go by themselves. And in school, they teach you to be the A student, do it all by yourself. Well, the A students are ruling the world. They don't know anything. Whereas I have my little fire team, my accountants, my attorneys, my bankers, my real estate guys, my financial planners. We're kicking ass because we stay small, we stay low.